For most of my life, I've been searching for my own path, my purpose, my life's mission, and my place on this earth. I always felt that I didn't quite belong on this planet, and it was so hard for me to find my way here. I felt as if I were standing somewhere beside it all, watching from a distance how others so easily stepped into different roles and patterns of being here, while I was frustrated just by the fact that I had to be here at all. Because the world seemed cruel, people seemed unkind, and meeting someone truly similar to myself, a kindred soul, felt almost impossible. People hurt, they disappoint. Back then, life felt heavy. I didn't like the world, neither our human one, nor even Mother Earth herself. I wanted so much to fit in and live like everyone else, but somehow it always turned out the other way around. Yet, how wonderful it is that some of our life experiences, as the years go by, can change our perspective. Now, instead of being angry about the fact that I live here, I feel grateful. I can experience matter and emotion, both the pleasant and the difficult ones that we must sometimes face and work through. That's how we grow. Even though people can still be unpredictable, sometimes you meet kind, good souls who share a similar vibration and way of seeing the world. But what has been the greatest surprise of my earthly journey is how important nature has become in my life. The fact that I began to see it more deeply, to understand it, and that I found my kindred spirits among the trees, the flowers, the herbs in the meadows, and the animals. They bring me peace and comfort. When sadness catches up with me, or when I feel I need grounding and energetic recharge, I go to the forest. I hug my great tree friends, and I instantly feel better. I tell them what's on my mind, what hurts, or what brings me joy. I know they listen. They don't judge. I choose to believe that. In fact, I'm sure of it. Now my forest friends are changing their wardrobe. Another cycle is closing and a new one begins. A time of transformation, reflection, slowing down, and thinking about what we can do better in our lives, which new path we might follow, or maybe we simply need to pause for a moment and think. Sometimes it's worth giving ourselves that time, just like nature, which now prepares to rest, only to awaken again in the spring. With time, I've learned to accept this world, appreciating its beauty, complexity, and diversity in every way. I wait and dream for the day when harmony and love will finally take root on our beautiful planet, when people will begin to live more deeply and rediscover the lost pieces of themselves, just as I am rediscovering mine. Like leaves scattered by the wind, one day we will all come together as one. We are entering November, a month I've never really liked. I think many people feel the same. It's the season of long evenings under a blanket and short grey days, rain and wind tapping at the window. I must admit it has its charm, just not for half the year. To spend my afternoon creatively, I decided to make a few soy candles. They will fit perfectly into the autumn atmosphere, and I also want to light them in honor of my departed ancestors for All Saints' Day. I will seal inside them the scent of Mother Gaia. After all, essential oils from plants are her gifts. In the summer, I dried flower petals so cornflowers will decorate the candles and remind me of those wonderful walks through the meadows. At the flea market, I also bought for next to nothing some delicate glass teacups with embossed grape clusters. They will make unique, reusable candle cups. I love giving a second life to old objects. There is something truly magnetic about a burning candle. I adore the crackle of a match, the faint scent of sulfur, and that gentle flame that can hypnotize you. It always reminds me that the light is within us and that we are the ones who can illuminate the darkness as spiritual beings coming from another realm. I wish you warmth and light in your life during this coming season.